As we welcome the spring season, I want to welcome you to this luxury Coral Gables home. Come with me, let me show you. This exquisite residence offers a peaceful blend of elegance, modern comfort, featuring 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms across 3,709 square feet. Whether you're preparing meals for family, hosting guests, or simply enjoying a quiet morning coffee, this kitchen is a dream. And the best part is that it's next to the maid quarters, laundry, and the bathroom on the first floor, making it very convenient for a lot of moms. Now guys, let's step into the backyard where all the fun happens. This private oasis features a flawless pool, a jacuzzi, and a screen-enclosed patio for relaxation with family and friends. What makes this home feel so luxurious is the majestic grand staircase, the high ceilings, and your private elevator. If you have an elderly parent or family member with limited mobility, the elevator ensures everyone can navigate the home safely and comfortably. Just steps from the iconic Biltmore Hotel and Golf Course, a dream location for golf lovers. Enjoy luxury spa days and their famous Sunday brunch with family and friends. And just minutes away, we have the shops at Mary Park, Giralda Plaza, and Miracle Mile, offering world-class luxury shopping and top-rated restaurants right at your doorstep. This property is near the Douglas Station and Coral Gables Business District, making it ideal for professionals seeking convenience and a lifestyle. One of my favorite parts of this house is the peaceful panoramic park right across the street, perfect for walks, pets, and family time year-round. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Thank you for joining me on this tour. We would love to help you make this incredible home yours.